My name is Richard Nance, and I sell used trucks. Today I have a 2010 Freightliner Business Class M2. This is out of releasing a rental fleet. A little long in the tooth, but it only has 190,000 miles. Cummins engine, 6-speed manual transmission. All services are up to date on this truck. This truck features a 26-foot box, Mickey body. There's a little boo-boo right here, but that's not going to affect anything. It does not leak. Translucent roof. This truck will make an incredible truck for someone to add to the fleet, make a spare truck, or a budget truck if you're just starting out. This truck's had a reman transmission put in last year, a new clutch put in. This truck is ready to make you some money. Call Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.